Winter Storm Inga. Inga, such a pleasant name for such a nasty storm. Nasty storm. It needs a name, like I said, on my Instagram with some crazy baby mama or something, not Inga. Somebody got a crazy baby mama named Inga? Get your baby mama, man. Get your baby mama. It's crazy. She tripping out here. She tripping out here, y'all. Y'all wait. Oh, baby mama Inga. Pay her child support so she won't be tripping like it's on us. This winter storm acting the food today. Got on my boots, y'all. My boots. I don't know if y'all can see my boots. Did y'all see them? I can't tell if y'all saw them. Yeah. But yeah, it's tripping out here. It's all the way live. All the way live. So the current situation here, King Inga out here. Likes to Kentucky. This is what it's looking like. Yes. That's the street. Yeah. It's coming down. It's coming down out here. It's still coming down. So, yeah. This is our current situation next to Kentucky with this winter storm. Winter Storm Inga. So to all the people in Africa that watch me and in the Caribbean countries, enjoy your nice sun and beaches today and this week as we suffer. We they suffer. Snow. Covering the streets and roads today. What a mess. Oh, yeah. But yeah, this is the mess that we're dealing with. Getting snow in my hair, but this is the mess we're dealing with, y'all. Let me get back in this house because it's starting to get very cold. Cold. Look like an Eskimo. So be it. Enjoy y'all sunny weather wherever you are. If it's sunny and tropical today. I'm so jealous. Oh.